This is Treasure. He lived in Africa. He was a good little monkey and always very curious. One day, Treasure saw a man. He had on a little yellow straw hat. The man saw Treasure too. Was a nice little monkey, he thought. I would like to take him home with me. He bounced his head on the ground, and of course, Treasure curious. He came down from the tree to look at the little yellow hat. That hat had been on the man's head. Treasure thought it would be nice to have it on his own head. He picked it up and put it on. The hat covered Treasure's head. He couldn't see. The man picked him up quickly and put him into a bag. Treasure was cold. The man with the big yellow hat put Treasure into a little bowl, and the shallow rowers then both escorted the water to a big ship. Treasure was sad, but he was still little curious. On the big ship, things began to happen. The man took off the bars. Treasure sat on the little stone, and the man said, "Treasure, I am going to take you to a big zoo in the city. You will like it there. Now run along and play. But don't get into trouble." Treasure promised to be good. But it's easy for a little monkey to forget. On the deck he found some sea birds. The wondered how they could fly. He was very curious. Finally, he had to try. It looked easy, but oh, what's happened? First teeth and teeth. Where's Treasure? The shark looked and looked. At last they saw him struggling in the water and almost on tired out. "Man overboard!" The sound cried as they threw him a letter. Treasure caught it and held on. At last he was safe on board. After that, Treasure was more careful to be a good monkey. But still, at last the long trip was over. Treasure said goodbye to the king's sailors, and he and the man with the yellow hat walked off the ship on the shore and on into the city to the man's house. After a good meal and a good pie, Treasure felt tired. He crept into bed and fell asleep as one. The next morning, the man left for the zoo. Treasure wanted him. He was affectionate. Then a man went away. It was cruel. He wanted to telephone too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Was fun. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Treasure telephoned the fire station. The fireman rushed to the telephone. "Hello, hello," they shouted. But there was no answer. Then they looked for the sign on the big map that towards where the telephone pole has come from. They didn't know that were treasure. They thought it was a relic find. Hurry, hurry, hurry! The fireman jumped onto the fire entrance and onto the horse and lanyard. Ding dong, everyone else of the way! Hurry, hurry, hurry! The fireman rushes into the horse. They opened the door. No fire, only a monkey's little monkey. Oh, got him! Got him! They cried. He tried to run away. He almost did, but he got caught in the telephone wire, and the fireman caught one arm and the fireman caught the other. You fools! The fire department. They shout, we will have to shut you up where you can't do any more harm. They took him away, shut him in a prison. He wanted to get out. He climbed up to the windows to try to pass. Just then the watchman came in. He got on the wooden deck to count treasure, but he was too big heavy. The bag tipped up. The watchman fell over, and quick as lightning, he ran out of the open door. He hurried through Moonlight and out onto the road. He was lucky to be a monkey. He walked onto the telephone wire, quickly and quietly over the girl's head. He walked away. He was free. Down in the street outside the prison wall stood a bald man. A little girl bought a balloon for her brother. He wanted. He was real again. He felt he must have a bright red balloon. He reached over to try to help himself, but instead of one balloon, the world broke loose. In an instant, the wind whisked them all away, and with them went Trevor, holding tight with both hands. Up he shot, higher and higher. The horse looked like a horse, and the pupil lies down. The world promised. He held on very tight. At first, the white bulb in bright girls. Then it quiet. Finally, it stopped blowing all together. It was very tired. Down he went. Boom! Onto the top of the traffic light. Everyone was surprised. The traffic got all mixed up. Judge didn't know what to do, and then he had some mouth call. Treasure! He looked down and saw his friend, the man with the big yellow hat. Judge was happy. The men were happy too. She just flew down the box, and the man with the big yellow hat pushed him under his arm. Then he pulled the balloon. Man fell on the balloon. and the treasure and the man climbed into the car, and at last away they went. To the zoo was a nice place for children to live.